Here is how to disable Quick Chat in Among Us on your mobile device. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open the Among Us application on your mobile device, log into your account, and then tap on play from the left-hand side of the screen. Now on the screen, you'll get two different options of local and online. Go ahead, tap on online and find a game. Tap on find game. Now go to the right and tap on filters, drag it to the left, and there you'll get the option of chat in the top. Go ahead and tap on that, which is beside the general. And here you'll get the option of free chat and quick chat under chat type. If the quick chat is selected, to disable it, switch to free chat and then come back and start the game. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.